this table refers to the news these days. Really, the European Union says that they will not support universities, academic people, places in Israel if they will really build up this kind of places in the settlements behind the Green Line. No doubt this is what they want to, that Israel will come back to the 1967. And this is a way to force them to do it, telling them, if you don't stop building the settlement, then no money, no academic work will be done with you. So Reisen said, no doubt that this clearly shows that this European Union is really with the Arabs together trying to push Israel to this small place, 1967 borders. Now what we see is amazing. In this book, Deuteronomy, which is against our southern, we find the best meeting of Ichud, which is really union. You can see in red, Ichud, and Europe. Definitely this is a very long sentence, will not come in one skip, but it comes in best meeting. Now what is interesting here, that besides it you find clearly this connection with the European Union, which is really Edom. We know quite well that Europe is connected with Edom, also the state, and Ishmael really coming together, really Edom and Ishmael, clearly working together, also going to the prophecies of Daniel. This will be the situation before Mashiach, unity between Ishmael, the Arabs, and Edom against Israel. Now what you see also, which is very interesting, as according to Daniel, the book of Daniel, this kind of unity of Ishmael and Edom is a sign before Mashiach. Amazing, this is the best missing in the Torah with Mashiach and this year, Tavshin Dalet. You see Mashiach on the same line, Mashiach and Tavshin Dalet, clearly indicating this time. Now, what you have here is the wickedness of the nations. Unfortunately, clearly we see this wickedness, and then, unfortunately, we know quite well that those leaders in Israel, parties which incline to the left, which is really the Arab Rav, the mixed multitude, we said these are the leaders which is against Torah and Orthodox Jews. So they're really also supporting this European Union, and they said that even they help them. Now, what you see here is interesting. Like the Torah tells you that all these problems will be with Tavo el Haaretz. You will come to the land asher Hashem Elokecha noten lecha nachala v'yirishta. Then you will inherit v'yashavta ba. Clearly telling us that only if you believe that the land belongs to us because God gave it to us, not because the United Nations gave us, but because God gave it to us, definitely all this situation will not come. But unfortunately, that a lot of Jews, unfortunately in Israel, don't believe. Definitely many parties in the Knesset, especially Yesh Atid, those one with Lapid, which are fighting against Torah. So no doubt this is a situation which is now coming up against Israel, which puts them in a very difficult situation. So let us hope and pray that really they will understand that this land will come into this land is only when realize that it's God who gave us the land, and realizing that only in such a way, keeping the Torah, which God gave us, we'll get rid of this Amalekites, which is people, nation, which really are against the Torah, against Israel, all in the same way, and only then we'll have Mashiach coming soon. We hope even in our time, Tavshin Dalet, but definitely everything, as we saw in many places, depends in our belief in God and keeping the Torah.